Hello and welcome back to Photography Unpacked. If you're new here, my name is Monique and I am the owner of the By Me Monique digital marketing agency. And I also enjoy taking pictures of people, nature, and products. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon EFM series that was made by Sigma for the Canon M50 camera. So I'm actually recording right now using a Sigma 16mm lens, a prime lens. It does not zoom in and out. It's a prime lens, and it goes down to a 1.4 f-stop, which is actually giving you that nice bokeh background, that nice contrast and blurring that you see happening right now. But I also want to go over two lenses that I actually rented in connection with the series, and here they are. I got these from Lens Rentals here in Tennessee. If you guys are in Tennessee and you want to use the link that I put in the description box, you can do that and you can rent your lenses as well. So what I got was the 30mm 1.4 f-stop lens, prime lens for the Canon EFM camera or the Canon M50. So this is what that looks like. This is the 30mm. All right. And this is what it looks like as far as the lens itself. And what I did with these lenses, I actually rented these lenses because I was taking some product photography for one of my digital marketing clients. And so her brand is called Now Nostalgia. I'm going to end the video with some photography that I took with each and every one of these lenses so you guys can see what the quality looks like for product photography if you're interested in that. And keep in mind, I've only been a photographer for about a year, so I'm still in my beginner stages, okay? And so here we also have the 56mm, again, a 1.4 f-stop. This is really like the nifty 50, as they say in the photography world. So here we have the lens here, as you can see. Really nice. These lenses are not light. They do have some weight to them. Now, I'll tell you the one that weighs the most is going to be the 16mm that is sitting on my Canon M50 right now. No worries. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So far you've seen the 30. You've seen the 56. I suggest getting all three of them, trying all three of them to know what you want. I personally am probably going to end up having these in my collection. Right now, I have the 16mm in my collection because I really wanted to get the lens that had like a wider range for YouTube for making these videos. But this is definitely something I want to invest in for product and portrait photography, these two right here. So the one I have on my camera right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys using my phone. All right, so we're going to put the iPhone on HD, not HD, on 4K 60 frames per second. All right, so this is a 16mm, as you can see. One thing I want to note about this lens and about this lens and how they mount onto the camera, you do not need an adapter of any type for this lens to fit your camera. These lenses are specifically made for the Canon M50 to fit right inside the area that they go in. They snap right on. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that because I know a lot of times people talk about boosters and adapters and all this kind of stuff. You do not need an adapter for the Canon EFM series that goes on the Canon M50 camera. All right, so that is what you're looking at. This is me. This is my POV. All right. So now that you have seen that, let me know if you have any questions about these lenses. I'm going to go ahead and roll the clips of the photography session that I did with these lenses. And if you're interested in knowing more about this project that I actually did for this brand, Now Nostalgia, you can actually watch the next video that's going to come out after this, talking about the project management and all that kind of stuff too. That stuff interests me so much. I absolutely love it. So if you're into tech and, you know, marketing and project management and just getting things done and being successful online with your business, you would definitely be interested in the video that comes after that. So yes, that's that. That's all I have. So yeah, enjoy the video. I'm going to be putting on the screen exactly which lens was used, taking the photography. That way you can see for yourself. And like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you on the next And I will see you on the next Photography Unpacked.
1, 2, 3, 4.